Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make roll dosa. First, let's prepare the batter. Begin by soaking 1 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of ured dal for a minimum of 4 hours. You can also add a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds to the mixture for an authentic taste. After soaking, grind these ingredients with a small amount of water until you achieve a smooth, thick consistency. Then, allow the batter to ferment overnight in a warm spot. It should double in volume, indicating it's ready for cooking. Now, let's cook your dosa to perfection. Place a non-stick tawa or a well-seasoned cast iron griddle over medium-high heat. Lightly grease the surface with just a few drops of oil, then wipe it clean with a paper towel. Pour 1 ladleful of the fermented batter onto the center of the hot tawa. Quickly spread the batter outwards in a circular motion using the back of the ladle. Cook for approximately 2 minutes until the edges turn beautifully golden brown and become wonderfully crisp. The next step is mastering the roll. Once your dosa is perfectly cooked and has achieved a lovely golden hue, use a flat spatula to gently loosen its edges from the tawa. For an even richer flavor and extra crispness, you can drizzle a thin layer of ghee or oil over the entire surface. Now, carefully fold the dosa in half, or for the classic presentation, roll it tightly from one end to the other. This creates that signature cylindrical shape. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Serve the hot, crispy roll dosa immediately to savor its fresh texture. Traditionally, it pairs wonderfully with a creamy coconut chutney, offering a delightful contrast in flavors. For a more substantial and complete meal, you can also serve it alongside a warm, flavorful sambar. Feel free to offer a variety of other chutneys, such as tomato or peanut, to cater to different preferences. Enjoy this authentic South Indian delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.